dear darling. Today I saw a boy, and I wonder if he noticed me. He took my breath away, dear darling. I can't get him off my mind, and it scared me 'cause I never felt this way. No one in this world know me better than you do. So darling, I confide in you.